those true makeup aficionados amongst you, I've got a lovely little selection of lower eyelashes. So if you want your eyes to look truly amazing, go with 2 sets of upper eyelashes and these little eyelashes that go on your lower lids. Just trim the nylon edge and then you're really sissified. Apply the glue. Feels like you're 6 years old and back at school. Try to glue those edges. Some glue on your lower lash area. As you saw a second ago, I just bent this into shape a little bit. Do not do this at home. I didn't trim the edge enough. Be careful. Again, steady hands. Should have been a bloody surgeon. And that's in place. Same as the top, a little bit of eyelash glue on the inside and outside edge, just to nail the bastard down. And sometimes you find that the glue will start sticking to the upper and lower. Just use some of the Aqualine over the glue area, and that inhibits the gluing your eyes together. There we go, all done. So I'm just going to finish the other eye.